to show you really quick how I have my Viking bag strapped. So you see one of the bungees comes out, and then I've got it right here on my subframe because my pegs are missing. And then I have it attached correctly going to my, whoa, as I touch the wrong stuff because I'm not looking, to my other peg, to my right peg. And then underneath, I took the two bungees running from the back corners and put them underneath my license plate because I don't have a spot. So it is dirty under there. But they're connected to each other and holding super, super, super snug. So it's not going anywhere. That was speeds up to 100, probably 107, 8 miles per hour. Pretty awesome. I'll also show you in the light. It's hard to record this myself. I might need help later, but it's got all these little pockets for all your accessories. It's got a ton of room in here. It doesn't look like it, but I could fit like probably 3 pairs of jeans. I could fit like a week's worth of clothes in here if I wanted to. And then it's got the extender pockets, or actually, whoops, those are side pockets, but these are the extender pockets right here to make it bigger if I needed it to. Super awesome bag. I love it.